like not even a week into the year and I have a bag. Oh, is this eBay? Oh my gosh. Ow. Great way to start the video. I literally sat on top of the box. But hi guys, so I already titled the video what I got, but if you guys wanted to see my reaction and unboxing and a little bit about why I got it, definitely hang around. I will just jump into the unboxing. This is actually my first eBay purchase since eBay has implemented their new authenticity guarantee. So this was actually sent to an authenticator in Las Vegas, like as a feature from eBay. So that was super cool. And then from Las Vegas, it came over to me. So we're gonna open it up. I'm filming this on a Friday after work, so of course it's going to be dark outside, and I turn off the heat so it doesn't make any noise. So please give this video a like. Let me know. Yeah, this is probably not the safest way. My boyfriend picks up my mail because I'm too shy. But when he picked it up, he was like, oh, it's really light. And I was like, oh, what if it's just a photo of it? I'm dying. But the box is really light. Like, I think it's less than a pound. Probably because it comes with like just the bag and no packaging. So here we are. Oh my gosh, it's like not even a week into the year and I have a bag. Wow, this is a really nice dust bag. Wow, is this eBay? That's so cool. So that's it. It looks like the seller sent it to eBay and then eBay like checked it out and repackaged it. Because if you look at the bottom, and I swear this is not sponsored by eBay, but just sharing my experience so far, it's pretty positive. And the box says authenticity guaranteed. Oh my gosh. She is so beautiful. Oh my god. So if you look on eBay, there's a ton of listings for these, but I went with this one because it's a pretty known brand. It's called the Brandoff Tokyo. They have a ton of reviews. Oh my god, I have to turn it on. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. So yeah, I will give you a close-up overview of it if you guys would like to see. I think it's in a really great condition, and from my experience, you know, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I do think for the most part in my experience, all of the secondhand retailers are really tough with the condition rating that they give a bag. So I mean, I'm pretty lenient. I think this was rated, it's probably more efficient that I put it on the screen, so I'll put it on the screen. This was actually a little Christmas present to myself, you know. Find any reason to treat yourself. Oh, I didn't even look inside. Sorry. Let's look inside. Wow. I am so impressed. Wow, this is actually my first Louis Vuitton with a red interior. Wow. Oh my god. This is gonna start a new addiction. Not that I need one, but oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so beautiful. So yeah, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And it's like this beautiful red velvet suede. I think it's suede. Yeah. Wow, this is in really good condition. I did look up the date code and this was made in 2003. So this is 19 years old. I think she's amazing. Wow. I am obsessed. There are some markings on the Vachetta leather strap. Of course, it being 19 years old, this is kind of inevitable unless you want to pay a pretty penny for a vintage piece that is like near brand new condition. I'm really happy with it. I buy my bags so I can wear them and I love them. And I love buying secondhand bags because they're already worn in. So, you know, any additional marks on it is really no pain to me, or maybe just like it's not nearly as painful as doing it to a brand new bag. So yeah, I am so happy with this. I cannot wait to style it. I really think I'm going to wear this so much. And also I think this is a really good investment piece, and I do think I got a really good price for it. Just looked into the dust bag and it comes with some paperwork, so I wanted to share with you guys. I think this is like a sheet from Japan about their laws against counterfeiting. And then there's a sheet from Brandoff, and I think behind that is my order. And I think this fell off of the bag when I ran around all excited. So this is actually a tag from eBay, so if you remove it, the return is voided. I'm not going to return it, so I'm not really worried. And inside is, oh, and this is such a cute little detail. Come on, camera. Yay, that's my new camera for you. It says eBay. So cute. And then inside, it's a little envelope, and it comes with an eBay authenticity card. So that is so cool. Not sponsored by eBay. I guess I just love them. And then it says the brand and the model. I think it just says other because it's so old. And yeah, it says congratulations on your new purchase. We are thrilled to deliver this beautiful handbag along with proof that it is the real deal. So yeah, saying that it has been authenticated. And you know, I will give you guys my expert opinion. Okay, I'm not an expert, but I do think it's authentic as well. It definitely checks out all of the things that I've taught myself on how to authenticate. After a while, you can like feel for it and you'll know. So really happy with all of this stuff. I'm gonna hang her here. So I do get a lot of questions about like how I get my bag secondhand and everything. So I think this is a really good step for eBay to introduce this authenticity guarantee with their products, because a lot of people are afraid to shop on eBay because of all the scamming and everything like that. So I'm really glad to have had a positive experience. This experience with this bag is definitely way more secure than the other times I've purchased. I've purchased the Chanel mini flap in patent leather, and I've sold it to Rebag, and it was authenticated by Rebag, so I did a good job there. I'm pretty well versed in shopping on eBay, and I would suggest it to my friends, and you guys are my friends, so I would definitely suggest it to you guys. So I want to give you guys the breakdown. I'm going to try to post this as soon as I can, so hopefully you guys are seeing this in a few days. And I'm also going to put on the screen the journey that it had. Brandoff is based out of Japan, so they shipped it to America. It was authenticated somewhere in Nevada about the end of the year last year, so December 31st, and it took about 6 days to get to me, so I do think that's pretty slow. The estimated delivery date was 5 days ago, but all is well. She is here. I'm glad it didn't get lost or anything. This is a Louis Vuitton Pochette Croissant shoulder bag. The product code is M51510, and actually this is my first vintage Louis Vuitton piece, and I think it's in really wonderful condition. It actually just looks like it's a few years old, not even 19 years old, and the hardware is pretty good. It's a little bit worn away, but you know, no one's gonna look at that. It's just me looking at it. So here it is on the screen. I bought it for myself on Christmas. After Christmas Day, I just felt like I wanted to treat myself, so I did. I literally bought it like in the middle of the night, like a crazy person, but I'm so happy, so I don't regret a thing. So this bag was originally listed at $12.06. I saw it discounted 10% at $10.85, and then eBay was running an additional like 5% off, I think. So I saved another $54.27. The shipping was free, and then I paid tax on top of the discounted price. So after tax, the total price that I paid was $1122.64. Really happy with that price. I think at that price point, like $1,100, you really cannot get much in the new luxury market. Like if you're buying a new item, I feel like you can get like shoes. I bought it. You can get shoes or a bag strap, but like I don't think you can actually get like a whole entire bag. Okay, just wanted to give you guys a size comparison. So it's really similar. I would deem this as a medium shoulder bag. So this is what it looks like compared to the Dior saddle. Of course, the Dior saddle is an odd shape and it has like a seam in the middle. So I do think the Louis Vuitton one will hold more items. It's also way lighter. So that's this one. And then I grabbed another one. I actually picked this one out to hopefully fill my void of this guy, but I just really wanted this. I'm a big Louis Vuitton lover, so I had to add this one into my collection, but you guys can see they're pretty similar in size. The Paulin bag is a little bit wider on the bottom, but the Paulin bag is very structured versus the Louis Vuitton one. It's way softer. If you guys didn't know about this is a real cutie. I'm guessing I'm supposed to take this off if I want to keep it, which I definitely am going to keep it. But yeah, I love it so much. As for scent, it does have like a closet smell, but I think someone suggested to me to put fabric softener sheets in it, so I'm definitely going to do that with this one. I have done it, oh, I keep leaving. I have done it with this bag, which is another vintage bag I have, but it's Chanel. And yeah, it has like a nice light scent now, a fabric softener, so really happy with that. And yeah, I'm still happy. I don't care if it smells, but that's up to you guys. I'm so happy with this one. I again cannot wait to show her off. She is so cute. Yeah, I think that's everything. A short and sweet unboxing. This guy has definitely traveled so far and I'm so happy. I'm gonna keep him forever, and I definitely think this bag will go up in value in a few years, you know, with all the price increases. And I really feel like vintage items are better quality. Like the canvas is so much thicker compared to the Nano Speedy that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, I make content about fashion, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you guys want to see more from me, please consider subscribing and sign up for post notifications if you want to be notified for whenever I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.